Hi everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Kelly. Hi if you're new. I'm so excited. So today I'm going to be sharing with you guys what's inside my Kelly purse. And if you guys are new to my channel, I did a DIY on it. I just think it's so cute. I was inspired by the Carrie Diaries on Netflix. I actually did a whole video on that. If you guys want to go check that out, I'll have a card. It's so much fun. I absolutely love that show on Netflix. If you haven't watched it, definitely go check it out. It's really good. I loved her purse in this show that I thought it'd be fun to have my own purse. And honestly, it is so much fun having a custom purse because like I'll be out shopping and people will be like, oh my gosh, I love your purse, it's so cute, and it's so much fun, and it kind of just like adds that extra accessory that you didn't know you needed. So I love it. I'm going to share with you guys what's inside of it, but I also had some footage of me making the purse that a lot of you guys asked for, like a more in-depth DIY on the purse. Pretty simple since it just was like a black purse and I like splatter painted nail polish on it, and then I just wrote my name out in cursive with nail polish. It's all nail polish. It kind of cracks a little bit and I go by and touch it up, but it's super simple. I'll have some footage of that if you guys want to watch that as well, just because a lot of you guys have been asking about it and it's super easy. But other than that, I'm just going to show you guys what's inside my purse and let's just get started. This purse was actually one of my mom's old purse, just like a fun like going out kind of purse, and you open it up and it opens like this and it's just like a hot mess inside. There's one pocket on the inside and that's where I keep like my makeup and stuff. So I'll start with the pocket. So I just have this older mascara. It's like one of the more empty ones, but I like to have it in case I like need mascara while I'm out, or if I like, I'm one of those people when I start laughing my mascara comes off because it just kind of drips down, so it's nice to have a mascara with me. I have my chapstick because it's still kind of cold and my lips are still a little chapped, so you know, this stuff is a miracle. I have my favorite lipstick in here, which is the Revlon Ultra HD matte lipstick. I'm currently wearing it. I'm obsessed. I have so many of these. It's in the shade 630. I love it. And my last little beauty thing that I keep in here is a lip gloss, and this is the Mary Kay Beach Bronze. I love it. It's so shimmery. Let me put it on to show you guys. It's amazing. I love it. It's just like a really pretty, like more neutral, like taupey brown color or sparkly lip gloss. I love it. Okay, so then I'm going to move on to like the hot mess part of this purse, but it's actually kind of big considering it's such a small bag, and I really like it, and I have been using it for like a solid 2 weeks now. First thing, my headphones. I feel like I never have a what's in my purse video without these. I live for my Apple headphones. Of course, you have to have the little extra accessory, but I like them. They're really comfortable, and I listen to a lot of music or like audiobooks while I'm out and about, and it's just nice to keep them in my purse so I always know where they are, because otherwise I would lose them. Then I have this little notebook, and it says, I believe happy girls are the prettiest girls, and I just kind of write like little things down as I'm out, just because I'm one of those people, I have to write everything down with pen and paper, so I love having a little notebook. I have a TJ Maxx receipt, and another receipt from, I think this one's from FedEx. Yep, I went to go print some stuff out. Then I just have a piece of mail that I folded up and put in my purse, but you know, I should probably put that somewhere. Then I just have my cell phone, and I have this super cute pineapple case from Collie & Co. I'll have it listed down below. What I love so much about these cases are they're so thin on your phone, it doesn't feel like you have a case on, because I usually get like the really thick, bulkier cases, and this one's just so much fun because it's so thin and so different. Love it. It's super fun, super springy, and summertime. I love pineapples. And then I have, oh my goodness, I have some earrings in here. Got these cute little studs in here. I take my jewelry off sometimes when I'm out and just kind of toss it in my bag, so those are in there. And I also have 2 bracelets, some black ones. These are really fun. These are Lily and Laura bracelets. I'm absolutely obsessed with Lily and Laura bracelets. They're one of my favorites. They just slide onto your arm candy so nicely. Definitely recommend checking them out. I have a tissue. My sunnies. Hi guys. I seriously love these. These are the Ray-Ban Aviators, a gold frame with a green shade. I love them. They're my absolute favorite sunglasses. Oh, this is new. So I got this like card holder thing, and it's from Daniel Wellington. They sent it to me as a gift, and I never really used it until like recently, just because I had my like Louis Vuitton wallet and I just liked it. But this is so nice because it's so thin and it's so tiny, but it holds all your cards, which is awesome. So I definitely recommend these. These are so nice, and they're just convenient because they're so tiny. You can just slip it into your pocket if need be. I have my car keys, and I have this really fun Lauren James keychain on it as well. And then I have two more things. So I have a hair tie. These are my favorite, like the little scrunchy knot ones. I love them, but I lose them. And the last thing I have in here is a pen, and it has a little stylus on it, which is awesome for Instagram stories because you get to doodle on them. And yeah, so that's in here, and that is all that's in my purse. Absolutely love this purse. I hope you guys enjoyed the DIY part as well. Super simple. And if you guys make your own purse that says your name on it or like something similar, be sure to send me pictures, whether that be on Twitter, which is just at Kellyprepster, or my Instagram, or Snapchat me a picture. I'd love to see it, and I would honestly love to share it on my Instagram stories or something. So be sure to send me a picture if you do it. I'd love to see it. It's so much fun, and you get so many like little compliments on it. It's just like a fun, unique piece to have. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. You guys are awesome, and I'll see you guys very soon. Bye guys.